Living off-grid is a bold adventure, a decision to embrace self-sufficiency and live in harmony with nature. But this lifestyle comes with challenges, especially when the cold season arrives. Staying warm without relying on traditional electricity-powered heating systems might seem daunting, but fear not. Innovative and time-tested solutions abound, allowing you to keep your home cozy and comfortable all winter long. One such marvel of efficient heating is the rocket stove. This innovative device has been gaining popularity for its remarkable ability to generate heat while conserving resources. Don't let the name intimidate you, it's not as complex as it sounds. This ingenious contraption is simpler than it sounds. It's designed to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. A rocket stove consists of an insulated vertical combustion chamber that facilitates incredibly efficient burning of wood. This design ensures that the wood burns completely, producing more heat with less fuel. The result? Intense heat output using minimal fuel. This means you can stay warm without constantly feeding the fire. Rocket stoves can be built with readily available materials, making them a cost-effective heating solution. You don't need expensive components. Often repurposed materials will do the job. They also produce very little smoke, making them environmentally friendly. This is a significant advantage for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Imagine a chilly evening, the crackling fire in your rocket stove warming your living space, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The aroma of wood smoke hinting at adventure and self-reliance. It's not just about warmth, it's about embracing a sustainable and self-sufficient lifestyle. Speaking of natural resources, why not harness the power of the sun to warm your off-grid home? Solar heaters are an innovative solution that taps into the abundant energy provided by the sun. Solar heaters offer an environmentally friendly and sustainable way to heat your living space and water. They reduce your carbon footprint and reliance on fossil fuels. These systems work by capturing the sun's energy through solar panels and transferring the heat to your home. This process is efficient and cost-effective in the long run. While the initial investment for solar heaters might seem significant, the long-term benefits are undeniable. Over time, you save on energy bills and contribute to a greener planet. Imagine free hot water and a consistently warm home, all thanks to the sun's generosity. Embrace the future of sustainable living with solar heaters and enjoy the comfort and savings they bring. The subtle art of passive heating. Beyond these active heating solutions, there's a world of passive heating techniques that work wonders in maximizing your home's warmth retention. Passive heating involves designing and orienting your home to capture and retain heat naturally. Imagine large, south-facing windows inviting the sun's warmth inside during the day. Picture strategically planted trees providing shade in summer and allowing sunlight to penetrate during winter. Materials like concrete or brick can act as thermal mass, absorbing heat during the day and releasing it at night. Insulated curtains and window treatments can also play a crucial role in retaining heat during colder months. These simple yet effective techniques can significantly reduce your reliance on active heating systems. By incorporating these passive heating strategies, you can create a more energy-efficient and comfortable living environment. Staying warm, off-grid. A world of possibilities. Living off-grid doesn't mean sacrificing comfort, especially when it comes to staying warm. From the efficient heat of rocket stoves to the brilliance of solar heaters and the subtle elegance of passive heating, a world of possibilities awaits. These solutions not only keep you warm, but also reduce your environmental impact and promote self-sufficiency. So, embrace the warmth of innovation and experience the joys of off-grid living, even when the temperature drops.